Well, hi, once again back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So now I'm sharing with you. Are you tired of making a small mistake in English sentences? Don't worry. Today I will show you the top mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. So please watch my full video and follow or subscribe my channel. Number one is people are searching how can I make current English sentences. They're hurry, but they can't find a solution. In this video I will show with you exactly how can you fix them and correct your English sentences. Number one is mistake: subject verb plus agreement. Like many beginners forget to match singular plural subject with verb. Example: he go to his school every day. He go to his school every day. This is a mistake sentence. And he goes to his school every day. It's correct sentence. Like they is happy, they are happy. This is the correct sentences. This is a very common mistake. Please skip this kind of mistake. Always check your subject is singular to plural before adding the verb. Like they is happy, they are thuki. They is happy, they are happy. Mr. True. Incorrect word or order. Incorrect work order like English sentences. Sentence structure is usually subject plus verb plus object. Example like today I'm happy. I'm happy today. I today I'm happy. This is called mistake sentence. I am happy today. This is called the correct sentences. I repeat them. English sentence will subject plus verb plus object. Mistake 3. Confusing tense. This is one of the biggest mistake for every beginner. Their mistake: confusing tense. Who is tense? This is the mistake common, like past, present, and future. They are not sure that who is past tense, who is present tense, and who is future tense. This is our mistake. Like I go to school yesterday. I go to school yesterday, but this is called a mistake. I went to school yesterday because this sentence is past tense. That's why that fellows will I went to school yesterday. So please avoid this kind of mistake. Or she will went to the market. She will went to the market. She will go to the market. This is called a future tense. That's why this sentence went will deducted. And here will, she will go to the market. Focus on type. Focus on time indicators: yesterday past tense, today present tense, tomorrow future tense. Please correct them sentence. Mistake 4 is using double negative like don't, no, or not. True is wrong. Don't, no, or not. True is wrong. Like I don't know everything. I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing. Don't plus know nothing. That's why this is called a mistake sentence. Here will, I don't know anything. This is the correct sentence. Please skip this kind of avoid. Don't know plus nothing. Don't know plus no. Here will, I don't know nothing. This is a mistake. I don't know anything. This is the right hand sentences. English uses single negotiation, not double. Mistake 5 is forgetting your article A and D. What is article? A and D is called article. I strongly believe that you know this kind of formula. A and D is called article. Like I have apple. This is a mistake sentence. I have an apple. Or I have an apple. You can say anything. Apple or apple. Apple will correct sentence. The sun rises in a east. This is called a article mistake because sun is universal truth or east. That's why here will the like the sun rise in the east. The sun rise in the east. Mistake 6, mixing up prepositions. Up mixing up preposition, like preposition are tricky, beginner use them wrong. Like I'm good in English, this is called a wrong sentence. I'm good at English because he is a skillful person. That's why here we will add I am English, I am good at English. And number 2 is she is married with a doctor. She is married with a doctor. This is called a mistake sentences. She will marry to a doctor. She will marry to a doctor. Through a doctor. That's why here will a and with will deduct it. She will marry to a doctor. Like mistake number 7 is overusing literal translation. Overusing literal translation, like beginner translate directly from their language, which can be wrong. Beginner translate from their language, which can be wrong. Like I have 20 years. I have 20 years. This is called a wrong sentences. I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. This is the right sentence. And mistake number 8, using wrong question form. Like you are coming. You are coming. This is a mistake. Right will. Are you coming? Are you coming? And where you go yesterday? This is called a wrong sentence. Here will. Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday? Mistake number 9 is misplacing adjective and adverb. Like she speak English fluently. She speak English fluent. This is called a wrong sentence. Right will. She speak English fluently. I saw a red big car. I saw a big red car. This sentence is right. Previous one was wrong. Like I saw a red big car, because this is called a misplacing. Like that, I saw a red big car. Here will I saw a big red car. Number 10 is run on sentences, fragmented sentences. Like I went to the market. I went to the market. I bought apple or apple. I went to the market and I bought apple. I went to the market and I bought apple. Number 2 is went to school. I went to school. This is called a right sentence. Went to school is wrong sentence. And so thank you everyone. If you enjoy this video, please stay connected with me. I will connect with you. See you soon with next content. Please stay down with me until I back.